Welcome back to the Canvas Crash Course. In this video, we're going to go over viewing grades in your Canvas course. So what you're going to do is navigate to the course you'd like to view your grades in. In this case, we're just going to do COM 1000. And all you do is navigate to the Grades tab. As you can see here, we have a notification for 2 new grades. So we can click into the Grades tab and see what we have been graded. When you enter the Grades tab, you'll be confronted with a whole lot of information, and at times it can be a little overwhelming. But we're going to chop it up into sections so you understand exactly what each piece of this dashboard is. So first, you'll be met with your course and an option to arrange by. This is very self-explanatory. You can adjust it to whatever course you would like and simply press apply, and then the grades for that specific course will show up. We're interested in our COM 1000 course, so we're going to keep it over there. Additionally, you can arrange by. So for example, I wanted to arrange by my modules, as in week 1, week 2, week 3. I can arrange by my modules and click apply. Now our assignments are arranged in the same order that they exist within the modules. So these drop downs are helpful for 1, navigating courses, and 2, organizing the grades in your course that best suits for your learning style. Immediately below these drop downs, we can see each individual assignment or component of the course. The first column has the name of the assignment. The second column is the due date of the assignment. The third column is the status of the assignment, for example, missing or late. If you see any missing or late icons on your assignment, that is something you definitely should tackle right away. Those can have a heavy impact on your grade, and it's best practice to submit your assignments before the due dates. The next column is the score. If there's a dash in the score, that means that that assignment has yet to be graded. Otherwise, you will see a number value that your instructor has given you. Next to graded assignments, you might see these little icons here. Let's start by clicking on this one on the right. As you can see, this is a feedback comment. In other words, our instructor has graded our assignment and left us a comment on our submission. You can see here, I enjoyed hearing about the book you are reading. Please see my comments in the rubric. Now, the rubric, how do we access that? Well, the rubric is this icon right next to it. By clicking on this, we can see our assignment results that we have received for this assignment based on the rubric. So as you can see here, we scored 6 points for the content/subject knowledge section, but we only scored 1 out of 4 points for the response to peers. As you can see, our instructor has left us a comment. For full points, please respond to at least 2 of your peers next time. This left us with a total score of 7 points. However, because it was late, we received 0 out of 10 points. This should tell you how important it is to submit your assignments on time by the due dates. As you can see here, we have another comment. We can open this up and review our submission comments for this specific assignment. It is extremely important here at PLNU to review your feedback from your instructors because it can give you valuable insight on how to improve your grades and improve your submissions. Finally, here in the top right, we can see our total grade for the course. We can show the details for each assignment, as in the comments. This is the equivalent of clicking open each of these for all your assignments. Other useful features is calculate based only on graded assignments. You can check that on and off, or what if scores, which will allow you to estimate your final grade based on scores you might score on certain assignments. If you have questions on how to review annotated feedback on your assignments, please refer to that guide in the Canvas Crash Course. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.